I'm Tyler Lance.
I'm Abby Moore.
I'm Hunter Owen.
And I'm Jacob Carlton.
And we're here with Woodbury FFA to help promote ATV safety.
Hi, today we're going to talk about ATV safety. Always wear your helmet before you operate an ATV. Always put your gloves on before you ride, and always put your glasses on before you go. Also, don't forget to wear long sleeve shirts, long pants, and closed-toed shoes.
A safe ride begins with a safe ATV. You need to check your gas, brakes, oil, and tires, because a moment of carelessness equals a lifetime of regrets.
Basic rules of riding your ATV. Never ride on the road. Always get an appropriate ATV for your size, and never forget your helmet.
And enjoy your safe ride on your ATV.